Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This Heidi Swapp Timeless Storyline Chapter album is so great because it allows you to customize it for any month or year, whether you're going to use it to plan or journal or just capture memories or all of the above, really. It's designed so that you put the inserts that you want in it. I use it with a calendar that's undated, and I also use empty notebooks for journaling and just some simple note taking and work projects. It's a beautiful linen black cover with gold tone embossing for the word timeless. The corners are protected with a beautiful gold tone hardware. There are 9 metal insert holders with sturdy hardware to hold them in place. The label on the outside can be personalized and changed as I need it to be. I love the sophisticated look of this Heidi Swapp Timeless Chapter album. I love being able to customize it and decorate it the way I choose. And that's my point of view.